Another bright new day for us all. Now, this one will blow your whole mind away because $900 in a single day for this? I said you all must know about this. If you are a woman and you've been searching for small business ideas that apply specifically to us, then this video is for you. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, making money online and building wealth. And we're not going to be talking about 1 or 2 or 5 or 7, but we are talking about 10 small business ideas that apply specifically to women. And we're not talking about lashes or hair. No. This business ideas apply specifically to us, and any woman can start any of these small businesses with any capital. If you love this and you want to join the winning team, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end. And the best part of this all is that you can do any of these business ideas from the comfort of your home. And if you would miss anything else on this video, make sure you don't miss out on number 3 and number 9. This is because these two will actually pay you the most, and it's very easy for you to start up on this too. And I also have the T's to get you started on any of these businesses. So if you're really here for the side hustle ideas or these business ideas, make sure you click on that like button. That will actually let me to know that these are the kind of content that you want me to be creating. So with that being said, go ahead and click on that like button and let's dive straight into our topic for today. The first small business idea for today, when I heard about this one, I was so shocked. I had to search more just to find out that a lot of women have become 6-figure and 7-figure owners simply by creating and selling small things called cash stuffing. Have you ever heard about cash stuffing? If you have, good for you. But if you haven't heard about cash stuffing, please go down to the comment section and put it right there, cash stuffing. This will actually help me to know that I am bringing something new to you all. Now, take a look at this video.
My name is Jasmine Taylor. I'm 31 from Amarillo, Texas, and my business brought in over $800,000 last year.
My God, did you just hear that? That is amazing. I think this is one of the businesses I would like to try out. The second small business idea today is for you to create and sell t-shirts for little girls. You and I know that t-shirt business is actually a little bit laid out, but that's just for adults. Moms care about what their kids are putting on these days. So if you are able to create t-shirts that have empowering text messages on it, like your hair is beautiful, you are dark and beautiful, your skin is popping and all that, you would definitely have a lot of moms queuing into your brand. You can just position yourself right now in the marketplace, get on Canva, do your own designs for t-shirts, empowering kids, and definitely you'll be getting cash back. There's a reason why I said you should wait for number 3, okay? Because this small business idea is very accessible to everyone across the globe. Here's the secret. You want to find products that sell all year round to any kind of person and to any kind of culture. For example, look at this product right here. They have sold over 58,000 pieces, and the person who created this product has generated over $585,000 from Etsy store. Now, I know you might be watching me right now and you'll be thinking right there in your head, good for her.
But how do I find the right pieces? How do I position myself in the market? I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to get started.
Don't worry about that. I've got you covered. All you have to do right now is go down there to the comment section and tell me you are interested, and I will follow up on that. Don't worry yourself. Just let me know if you're interested on the comment section, and you will see the magic pulling itself right there. Number 4 on our list is the retail arbitrage. And don't click out, please. I'm going to break it down for you in a simple way, okay? So basically, what this means is that you want to find items that are sold in retail stores at a lower price, and then you resell them in your own store at a higher price. So what you have to do is to set up your own business, but you don't have to create products or produce anything. All you have to do is to source for products you buy at a lower rate, and then you retail or resell in your shop at a higher rate. It's as simple as that. So forget about that big English that says retail arbitrage. It's just about to scare you, but it's as simple as buying and reselling. It's very simple, and you can make a lot of money on the online space from selling across the globe. Number 5 business idea is a business idea I found out because my best friend, was getting married. And you know how brides always get excited about their weddings. These wedding people are making so much money. And this book is very simple and a low content book. These wedding planning books just have very few lines, and you can just go to ChatGPT and ask it what you should put in a wedding planning book. And you can then go to this other website that is called theblur.io, and then you create a wedding planning book. And you can have this book on your website in less than 3 days, or let's say at most 1 week. And these brides will start pulling up on your website and demanding for these wedding planning books. And there you go. You will be making a lot of money for yourself. Remember that wedding is something that never dies. I mean, all year round, people are always rushing to do their weddings, and brides are always extremely excited. And every bride always wants their wedding to be the best, the talk of the town, and all that. So you will be making money for yourself all round the clock. It's as simple as that. Just go right there to ChatGPT, give a prompt right there for what you can actually write on a wedding planner, and then you can go to blur.io. It's a great website that will actually create this book for you, and then you can upload on your own site and start selling it to brides. It's as simple as that. If you have enjoyed this video up till this moment, don't forget to hit on the like button. And if you want me to make videos like this on how you can sell low content books online and have a quick turnover, let me know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop beautiful content like this, you're going to be the first person to be notified. If you are a mom and you've bounced back, and you are actually good at fitness and you are also good at your diet, do you know you can monetize that? A friend of mine recently started a postpartum coaching company, teaching women around the world how to get back in shape after having their baby. And I know it is actually our number 1 priority after having our babies. Also, if you are good at fitness and your journey has been great, and whatever therapy you're using is working well for you, you can actually start coaching other women around the world online how to get back to shape. And you know there are millions of women out there that are actually struggling to get back to shape after they've had their babies. You're going to have a lot of clients that will actually want to tune into your formula if it is working. So you can get started on that if you have the right procedure. The next small business idea will actually blow your mind. If you are good at handwriting, do you know you can actually monetize that fact? A lot of people are not aware. But one of the things that people actually want to do during things like Thanksgiving, Christmas, weddings, and other parties is to get handwritten gift cards. So if you are good at handwriting, you can make a lot of money. If you know the amount of money that people are actually making from handwritten gift cards, you will be amazed. So if you are good at handwriting right now, get into that industry and start making that money. In fact, pack the money out of it. And you know that Parties and events are always round the year. You have birthdays from January to December, weddings, Thanksgivings, Christmas will be there, and other parties. So if you are good at handwriting, this is the industry you want to embark on. I know I said number 3 and number 9 will blow your mind, but number 8 is actually a great small business idea. And this is because I love food. And the reason I actually found this business idea is because where I live right now, it is very difficult to get some certain food. So I've been struggling to even go to the market, the local market, to get this food to prepare. It's impossible. So if you're good at cooking, you can actually look around your area and see those specific food types that people are looking for and it's hard to come by. And then you can create an online food store and start selling to a lot of people. Like right now in my location, I am craving for achu and most especially fufu corn and jama. Like every day I wake up, I'm like, if I have someone who makes these 2 meals, I would definitely visit you every 3 days. So if you are good at cooking, you can actually start a food store for specific food types that are not available around your area. Make sure you don't go for the food that everyone is doing. No, you will not make a lot of money. But if you are specific to these food types that people are craving for, especially people who are not living in their country, they've moved from one country to the other, you would definitely make a lot of money. And you can start with any capital. Now, this one will blow your whole mind away because $900 in a single day for this? I said you all must know about this. As a black woman, we struggle with our hair. That is what a lot of us are struggling with. Our kids struggle with their hair, we struggle with our hair, and a lot of women these days are struggling to have their natural Afro hair. So if you are good at creating products that can actually help them solve their hair problems, then this is a great way to monetize it. Now, I actually have a natural hair on, and I remember when I did my first consultation for my hair, I was supposed to pay an equivalent of $100. And this particular lady told me that she always has about 9, sometimes 12 clients in a day to consult for their Afro hair. So let's not talk about the 12, but let's talk about the 9. So if 9 women visit her every day, that means she's making about $900 in a day for what? Just the Afro hair consultation. Well, yes, I consulted and I'm having a good hair right now. In fact, I'm enjoying the texture of my Afro hair. And to tell you the truth, millions of black women are looking for a possibility to have their hairs treated. So if you have a therapy for that, or you have products that you've created, or it's working for you, get started with monetizing it, because I bet you're going to make a lot of money. You might not start up making $900 in a day, but you would definitely make a lot of money. This we are talking about just consultation. Before you have to buy the product, this and that for the hair. Definitely getting out of that shop, you would spend about $300 for your hair. So this is a great opportunity for you to make money. And you can actually start up with any capital. That is the amazing fact about it. Because most of these products that I use on our natural Afro hair, it's always from natural products. Some of them you buy it for a very little amount of money, or some of them you just have to go around and look for the herbs. So girls, this is a great business idea for you. The last small business idea today is for you to create a community. Do you know you can actually create a community and monetize that fact? Yes, a lot of people are doing it. And I know you women are out there, you're always on social media, from one social media platform to the other, from TikTok to Facebook, from Facebook to Instagram to YouTube, and all you do is to scroll through and entertain yourself. But you can actually use your social media platform to create a good community to impact the future. I know a lot of you will be like, no, I need a large social media follow before I can be able to create a community. No, you can create a community even with 100 followers. You can start from there. Maybe you create a community of people who are suffering with sickle cell, people who are struggling with their Afro hair, people who want to keep their skin color but they can't find good products, good body cream to use on their body. There are so many different ideas, different topics that you can actually create a community with. If you take all these 10 small business ideas and you just watch the video and you let it go, you are doing no good to yourself, to your loved ones, and to your generations. Try to start up something for yourself right now, and I bet you in the next 6 months, you would actually see a drastic change. And like I said, if you really want to start any of these businesses and you need help, comment on the section down below and I'll be there to give you my help in any way that I can. It might not be financial, but I will definitely support you. God is right there watching you, and I am right here to support you in any way if you ask. Alright? Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. See you on my next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because that is what will alert you when I actually drop any new video.